Hi, this is Mirna with Knitting with Mirna, and today I'm going to show you how to make a headband with a twist. For this project, I'm going to be using the Loops and Threads Bobby Jean yarn. This is a 100% acrylic yarn. It is medium weight, and the colorway is blue. I'm using size 7 straight needles by Knit Picks. I'm going to use a measuring tape, a cable needle for the twist or the knot, whatever you want to call it. Or if you don't have a cable needle, you can use a stitch holder, or scrap yarn or extra needle if you have one around, just to hold needle stitches in place, and a yarn needle to sew the ends together. So let us begin by casting on 18 stitches. Okay, I'm going to just rapidly go through this step because I have a link in the description below on how to do a long tail cast on. Very well. Once you have your 18 stitches, you're going to work 1 by 1 ribbing for 10 inches. So you're going to begin by knitting 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, repeat these 2 stitches, knit 1, purl 1, all the way to the end. You get to the end of the row, you turn your work and repeat those 2 stitches again. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 to the end of the row, and continue doing this until your piece measures 10 inches. I'm doing this headband for a head circumference of about 20 to 21 inches. So at 10 inches is when we're going to stop and make the twist or knot, or the knot, not knot, or the knot. I am at 10 inches of my piece here, so you can see how it's reversible and it's nice and stretchy. I like how it's coming out. Next, I'm going to slide 9 stitches. I'm going to slip 9 stitches onto this cable needle. You're going to take those 9 stitches and move them a little bit forward out of the way, and we are going to continue working and pattern. So this next stitch is a purl stitch, so we're going to insert our needle from front to back. You're going to take the working yarn and bring it over and purl. We're going to knit Oops, hold on, what did I do here? Wait a minute. Okay, here I am. Well, that was strange. Okay. Now we're gonna put this left needle down. We don't need it right now because we're going to bring the cable needle over to the front and knit the 9 stitches. So you're kind of like crossing the cable needle over like so, and the next stitch is a knit stitch. So you move your yarn forward and knit the stitches following the pattern of this cable needle. Okay, and you're gonna feel like your stitches are bunched in here tightly. That's okay. Now you're going to turn your work and now we're going to continue knitting in pattern, but this time we're going to start from now on. The second half of your headband is going to begin with a purl stitch, and that's because we twisted or we turned our work. So now it's going to be purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and this right here is fine. That's where we turn our work, and we brought the yarn over from the cable needle. So let's continue knitting a couple more rows until you see this twist. Here I am a few rows past the twist, and you can see how the twist just kind of straightened itself out on its own just by repeating the 1 by 1 ribbing. So continue knitting for another 10 inches from this point forward for about 10 inches, and then we're going to bind off and sew both parts together. Time to bind off, you guys. I am at 10 inches. So another easy way of knowing when you've gotten to your mark is just folding the piece in half like this, and then it's like, okay, I'm good. It's time to bind off. So let's bind off in pattern. So we're going to purl the first stitch, knit the second stitch, and bring the back stitch over the front stitch continue doing this. I have a tutorial in the description below on how to bind off. If you don't want to bind off in pattern, you could just go ahead and bind off all on the knit stitch. These are only 18 stitches, so the piece is going to be like at the back of your head, so it really doesn't make a difference. But if you want to practice how to bind off in pattern, this is a nice little project. I like making headbands because I get to practice different stitches and different techniques, and then I have something to show for at the end of the project or of my practice row. So continue doing this to the end of the row. On your last stitch, you're going to leave a long tail, like about 12 inches long, because we're going to knit this too. So both parts together. Nice. So now get your yarn needle. Where's my... So now here's your twist. Really nice. So bring both pieces together like this. This is a little tail from the cast on. And now we're going to sew these two parts together. I'm going to turn it around so it's facing me like this. Okay. Turn my work around. And here is your headband. So I'm gonna try it on in a few minutes and I'll show you how it worked. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. I hope you give it a shot. If you do, please link it to my social media on Instagram and Facebook, Knitting with Mirna. Subscribe to my channel, click like, leave a comment, and also activate the bell so that you'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.